Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS 5 December exam IPA complete pattern and syllabus. This is the part first video in which I am just describing about what are the new sections that is introduced in the IPA exam according to stream, what is incentive criteria. All points will be cleared in today's video, and this is the part 1 video. In the next video I will be share all the resources and strategy with all of you, that how you clear IPA exam in your first attempt and score very good in incentives exam. So let's start the video. Okay, so this type of mail will be come to candidate. Okay, that is related to your stream. Okay, like we are pleased to inform that you have been mapped to EIS unit of TCS. TCS Engineering and Industrial Service help customer in digital transformation of global businesses through enhanced product innovation. Okay, so you are likely to be assigned project which require foundation knowledge in Python in addition to academic specialization skills. To equip you better, you will be enrolled to explore Python stream. Your protected assessment will be in Python. Okay, so it will be totally depend on the TCS team whether they will give you Java or Python stream. Okay, means one of the candidate got this Python stream. Okay, and the protected assessment will be in Python also. If you got Java, so the assessment in will be Java. Your learning incentive and training duration once you join TCS will be decided based on your score you have achieved in your protocol statement. Okay, so this is just related to kick start your explore Python learning. Okay, so this type of mail will be come to candidates. Okay, so this is the TCS explore curriculum. As you can see on my screen that the explore program has modules on KYT, means know your TCS, business skills and technology software foundation, while KYT will help you understand TCSL as an organization. Business skill module will help you to become better in the way you communicate. For technology, there are two streams available in explore, Java and Python, and the TCS team will be send mail to all of you that is related to Java and Python in which stream you are selected. Okay, so this is the brief outline and approximate duration of each stream. Like this is the Java curriculum, this is the Python. Okay, all is the same, like Unix, hands-on, MySQL, PLSQL. Okay, so there are some of the other concepts like Java programming, core Java hands-on. There is a Python hands-on, Python programming, Django hands-on. There is a UI hands-on, and there is a algorithms, there is a algorithm professional. KYT means know your TCS, that is related to TCSL as an organization. Okay, so these are also same for the Java and Python curriculum, and this is the grand total. Okay, so each stream has a major 4 layer like operating system, database, programming and user interface. As you can see on my screen, they just mentioned that content provided to you is in the form of text and video. You may refer to the content available on the internet for deeper understanding. Okay, so they just mentioned that a few coding problem are configured on HackerRank, and we are preparing for a building solid foundation either in a Java and Python, and your allocation into a particular technology stream upon your joining in TCSL. Okay, so one important point, they will just give you a stream that is related to Python or Java, and based upon your performance, explore performance and TCSL business requirement, they will give you main stream at the time of joining. You will be given access to both Java and Python start learning content. You can choose either Java or Python and continue your learning, or may you learn both the stream. During the protocol assessment at TCS IN, you would be given option to choose the question set of your preferred stream, like either Java or Python. You will be taking the assessment on the selected stream. Means they will also give you an stream that is related to Java and Python, but at the time of exam, they will give you option to choose the question set of your preferred stream. You will also have the option to try a different stream on your next attempt if you will wish to do so. Okay, so this is the very good point. Like if you are just good in Java, so you are not to, like supposedly like you only give the Python examination, you are also give the Java examination. Number of assessment attempt that you can make is not restricted. Highest score among all is attempt irrespective of stream choice will be considered as your assessment performance for on all onboarding purposes. Okay, Before moving on to video, there is a very good platform that known as Relevel by Unacademy. You can get your dream job in 15 days. India's finest company trusts Relevel to hire. There are 3 to 4 to 5 type of tests that are very good for freshers, and as you can see on my screen, there are so many candidates that they just score good in some of the top MNCs, and they are placed in some of the top MNCs and won MacBook, iPhone, Apple Watch. You can also win exciting prizes including a MacBook, iPhone and Apple Watch. Okay, so how do we work? Means how the Relevel test will work. Register for this test, take this test, interview with employers and accept the offer. Okay, there are over 300 job opportunities from more than 50 companies with CTC up to 15 LPA. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that there are so many type of tests like business analytics, development, front end, back end and data analytics. But the data analytics and business analytics test is newly introduced, and if you eligibility like 18 plus age, laptop, desktop is mandatory. What are the skills required, test structure? So you can just book your free slot and give this exam and score very good. And so this is the IPA question, this is the IPA paper pattern, and this is the IPA question paper pattern that is related to Java, Python 2022. Dear candidate, we will conduct explore protocol assessment in a regular interval at TCS Ion Center, and question pattern will the MCQ and coding question. Okay, so MCQ cover all topic of TCS courses. There will be not any negative marking for incorrect answer. Okay, so this is the Java syllabus and this is the Python syllabus. Okay, so there is a common section all, like for Java and Python there is a know your TCS, business skill, Unix and UI. This type of questions mean what are the number of questions and score of this section, and there is a total marks. There is a Java question, like there is a MCQ, and there is a programming question, like there is a simple programming question, there is a complex. Okay, so this type of pattern will be followed. Same is in the 5 December examination, and I will explain all the points like that is related. Okay, this point is very important, and there is a total 52 questions, means score of the section is 100 and there is a 52 questions. Okay, after that this is the Python syllabus. Group 1 is same for Python and Java, and there is a group 2, there is a MySQL and Python and simplex and complex. What are the total number of questions and the particular timings for that? Okay, so this is the one of the most important image that you can see on my screen, that learning incentive will be awarded based on your explore, means based on your performance in the explore protocol assessment. Okay, incentive source is explore protocol assessment. Protocol assessment means the IPA examination. Okay, so there is a 2 type of incentives are there: readiness incentive, TCS ready, and competency incentives means competency incentive, BG ready. Okay, so there is a eligibility criteria. If you score 55% or above before 30 April 2022, so there is a incentive amount is 40,000. Okay, if you score 55% or above after 30 April, okay, so there is a incentive amount 20,000. And there is a competency incentive if you score 80% or above, so there is a plus rupees 20,000 in incentive amount in addition of this. Okay, so there is a very eligibility criteria that is mentioned, like if you just score 80% or above before 55% or above before 30 April, so there is a 40,000 plus 20,000 if you score 80% criteria. If you only score 55% or above, there is a 40,000 rupees before 30 April. Readiness incentive will be rewarded as above, provide the associate also join TCS as per date. Both readiness and compensatives are recoverable if the associate resign and leave services within 12th month of joining TCS. Means that there is a 12 month of joining TCS criteria. Okay, and they are recoverable if associate, if you are resign and leave services. Okay, so this is the incentive criteria that is related to explore protocol assessment. Okay, so this is the complete video that is related to TCS 5 December exam complete pattern and syllabus. I hope this video is useful for everyone. In the second part video, I will be share all the resources with all of you, that how you can prepare for each of the section, and this all videos are for all of you. I need all of your support in all of your videos. Okay, so please show some support and at least share with your friends. These videos are very informational. Thanks for watching the video.